Alright, I'm a little bit prepared. Let's see if we can fix this issue. This is a MacBook Air and it's running OS X 10.10 and you want to upgrade to newer versions. So a customer had already downloaded High Sierra, and when you open to install it, oh, here we go. That's the error message you get. What I will do is I'll connect this to the external screen so we can see it better, high definition. Here we go. Okay, so about this Mac, we can see 10.10 2014. This can run Catalina, I believe. Should be okay. And so to fix that, we'll open the terminal. We want to go to System Preferences. Date and time, you want to turn off automatic date and time setup. Time zone, automatic, so turn it, so make sure it's off. Okay, so the current date is what the issue is. Something about a certificate related to maybe being expired and not allowing to install all the versions of OS X. So this is coming from a disk maker's own website, which I usually use a lot normally, and I had crazy time trying to install OS X 10.13 and others on newer or older Macs, and I just could not do it for the life of me. And finally I found this one day. What a difference it made, turned my life around. So hopefully this will be a quick fix for you now. Here. So it's something about yeah, so they want you to disconnect from the internet, or yeah, that's it. I've done that. Alright. Let's see if this will work. Oh, okay, so we need to run that. Date, great, 2015. If we go ahead and run the installation again. We may need to reboot, I'm not sure. Oh, here we go, popped up. Let's see if we can install it. So this one is on charge. 2 jobs going on at the moment. What does it say? Alright, great, restart. Alright, we don't have an external screen anymore. It's going through its setup. There's a very beautiful bummer. I have to edit the video. There's a really nice HP laptop which I'll be working on. Will be the next video up in the queue. Well, anyway, you can see the installation happening now. No need to wait for it. But that's how you fix the issue, yeah? So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.